So when the storm came through, we lost every member that we had. We serve about 43,000 members, and this was the second time in the history of our co-op that we lost our entire customer base. So now it's been 2.5 weeks, and we are right at 59% restored. So we've done extremely well considering the circumstances, and we can certainly attribute that to the co-ops that have come here, jumped on board, jumped right in, and restored power.
So because the next hurricane has come in, a lot of those crews were sourced from Louisiana, the eastern Louisiana, Alabama, Mississippi. With that storm coming in, all those folks had to go back home and basically be prepared for their own storm restoration, which left Beauregard, the cooperative, going to without the help they need. And so they've reached out to their Texas counterparts saying, hey, could you help us? And so that's why we're sending our crew to Louisiana now. As United, we really we enjoy when we have a problem, enjoy the fact that cooperatives reach out to us and come send crews and help us out. And we've experienced that several times over the last decade with the ice storm and also with the fires. And so ultimately, you know, when folks call us, we want to answer that call because it's all about cooperation among cooperatives and helping each other out. And that's what we did, and that's what we're going to continue to do.
The pleasure of getting people's lights back on, helping members out that have been out for a long time. It's just it's a great feeling seeing the kids run up to you, you know, and thanking you, and it just makes it all worthwhile.
I have 3 kids. I have my daughter that's 13, McKinley, my son Easton that's 9, and a son, Cannon, that's 2.5. But in the morning it's hard telling them bye, hugging them, kissing them, telling them you love them, and you know, I'll be back before you know it. It's okay if they don't cry, but when they cry, it kind of tugs on you a little bit. But for the most part, it's okay. It's all right. This is my 4th one to go on. I know the drill.
Now just pray for us, and we'll be back in 10 days, hopefully. Not sooner. We want to stay 10 days.
I'm excited about going. I like to do this kind of stuff. Like I said, there's a reason this is the 4th one I've been on. I volunteered every time to go. It's fun to go help people out. It's fun to work with other guys in a different environment. Just excited to get going.